through going at the farmer's market. So check out these cars.
Yeah, yeah. And there's no rush. Perfect.
Everything's black in here, and it is hot. Oh, that's cool. Whatever those are.
He's like back there. That goes up and down.
This is EQ.
Oh, the mirror? Oh, that's so cool. And it doesn't have a pillar. So it's just fully open and snap. That's awesome.
Oh, looks like, yep, DQ goodies. Just melting in the sun. Actually, that looks pretty good.
Oh, yeah. You can.
There's just too many cars. Even though they're all cool. Now we're back where we were. We're going to be heading on down this way again. Hot dogs out. Not literally hot dogs. Back to Mushroom Robot. Sorry if I'm going fast, there's just too many. That one's interesting. Jim Okie, you like old cars, so I'm dedicating this one to you.
Hey everyone. 1 o'clock for firefighters that are going to do an extrication example. 1 o'clock, so don't miss that. It's coming up in just half an hour.
I'm going down the side streets. It's too darn hot.
Builders First Source.
Down here, and
all these wonderful cars. Sierra Pacific. As well as.
Like this car? Yeah. But I didn't know. I didn't know. I'm not
that sparkle.
Do not miss that.
I should have some sunscreen on. I have to invest into some of that. I gotta turn this off right now. This is part 2, and please enjoy.